is a binomial. An example of a binomial is x plus 2. 3 terms is a trinomial. An example of a trinomial is x squared plus 5x plus 6. 4 terms or more is a polynomial. An example of a polynomial is 2x to the third plus x squared plus x plus 1. So these will be your 4 categories to classify your polynomials. As we move to the middle and we look at the box, on the left side is an expression. We're going to classify the polynomial by number of terms, and then we're going to write the degree. The first expression is 7, the number 7. 7 is simply a constant with a degree of 0. The second expression is a 9x, which is linear because it has 1x and it has a degree of 1. There's an understood 1 over the x. The third term is 2x squared plus x plus 1. This is a quadratic equation. It has a degree of 2. 3x to the third minus 9 is cubic because of the 3, and it has a degree of 3. 4x to the fourth plus 3x to the third plus x squared minus 1. Degree of 4 is quartic. If there are any degrees higher than 4, you can simply say 5th degree, 6th degree, and it'll keep going. So let's recap. 7 is a constant with a degree of 0 because it does not have a variable. 9x is linear because it only has 1x. 2x squared plus x plus 1 is quadratic because it has a degree of 2. 3x to the third minus 9 is cubic because it has a degree of 3. 4x to the fourth plus 3x cubed plus x squared minus 1 to the 4th degree. So it has a degree of 4. Alright, we're going to name the polynomials by degree and number of terms. These are our examples. So for example 1, I have a negative 3x squared plus 4x to the third plus 2 minus 6x. One thing that you may want to do first is rewrite this equation in descending form. When you rewrite the equation in descending form, that means you put the highest exponent, power, or degree in the beginning of the equation. So now I've rewritten it. I'm going to name it by degree and number of terms. So the highest degree is 3. So this is a 3rd degree. Now I have to determine the number of terms. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So it is a 3rd degree polynomial. Example 2 is 2x squared plus 3. The highest degree here is 2. So it's a 2nd degree or quadratic binomial because it has 1, 2 terms. Example 3, I only have 5x which means it's linear. And because it's only one term, it is a linear monomial.